Today, my husband and I are going to be looking at this pocket door from VEVOR. Please don't judge us. It doesn't quite fit. We need to trim it out, but I love it. In this video, we're going to show you what comes in the box and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. This is packaged very nicely to protect it during shipping. These are actually frosted glass. I expected them to be plexiglass, but they are glass. In the box, you're going to have the instruction manual. You're going to have the small door pieces, the longer door frame pieces. You're going to have quite a bit of hardware, as well as this is part of the rolling track. There's another box of hardware here with more screws. And then you have the actual track components in this long, heavy box. For reference, this is what we're working with. We have the door partially assembled. Now we have to slide the glass pieces on. We bunched ourselves up. It's okay.
It'll be fine.
You should probably not be doing this on a bed. The brackets that go on the door are actually attached to the wheels, and you do have to remove them. Remove these before you put them in the track. It does come with a wrench so that you can adjust the height of the door. We're having to really custom modify this because of how this door frame was framed out. So I'm not going to give you any instructions here. I would definitely recommend hiring a professional if you're not familiar with how to hang a pocket door. He is drilling a pilot hole with a smaller screw to get the bigger screw into the door because for whatever reason, it's very difficult. We would definitely recommend having 2 people because it is much easier to hang with 4 hands. And then the excitement was short-lived. Oh no!
My guts almost let loose.
If we would have installed this per the manufacturer's instructions, this would have ended very differently because the door would not have fallen off the track. But we were able to get it back on the track with a little bit of elbow grease.
This is a very nice door. I like the frosted glass look to it. It's adjustable if you get your reveal right. And smooth operator.
It also has a soft close function, which we did not install because, again, we had to customize this a lot. This wasn't even a door frame to begin with. It was like all wide open and we needed to close it in for the building inspection. So it just... These are the little soft close pieces for the soft close function. There's 2 of them. Again, unfortunately, because of our setup, we could not install them, but it does have soft close. It also comes with these steel frame pieces, which again, we could not use because the wall was already framed out. Overall, we're really pleased with the quality and the functionality of this door, as well as the look of it. It is beautiful. If you are looking for a new pocket door, this one from VEVOR is a really great option.